Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm kicking off a brand new series on the Java programming language. We'll be solving simple programming projects to help you build your problem solving skills. Before we jump into coding, you will need to set up your development environment. That means installing the Java Development Kit or JDK and an IDE. In this tutorial, I'll be using JDK 21 and IntelliJ IDEA. You can use others, but this setup will make it easier to follow along. Let's quickly break down what the JDK is in simple terms. The JDK gives you all the tools to write, compile, and run programs. It includes the Java language specification, which is the syntax and the structure of your program. The Java API, those are pre-built libraries that you can leverage. The JVM, known as the Java Virtual Machine, that runs your code. It also includes tools like a compiler and a debugger. Don't worry if that sounds a bit technical, we will learn by doing. Our first project is to create a Java program that displays personal information. So in this program, we will display your name, your address, your phone number, your email address, and your college major. Simple enough, right? But before we write code, let's understand a few key Java concepts. Java is a general-purpose object-oriented programming language used in mobile, desktop, and web apps. Every Java program is structured around classes, and execution begins from a special method called main. This is where your program starts. Alright, enough talk, let's open IntelliJ and start writing some code. We will create a class called personal information. And then we will define a class here, which is public class personal information, and the name of the class should be exactly as the name of the file. Okay, otherwise your program will not run. So alright, inside this class we will need to add the main method, because as we said, that's where the execution of the program starts. And then here is the signature of the main method. You start with public, then static void main string x. Alright, so next we need to output some statements, which is your name, your address, phone number, email, and your college major. So to output something to the console or to output something to the screen, you use a command called system.out.println. So this function, whatever value that you put inside this pair of parentheses, will be displayed on your console. So let's type our name. And then next we type our phone number. And then next we type our email address. And then the last is the college major. Alright, so this is the entire program. So now to run this, you click on this green button. That's it for today's project. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Java tutorials. Links to the resources and setup guides are in the description below. See you in the next one.
For every single thing you've given me.